There's some crackhead live there.
If it was, I wouldn't do it.
I'm looking for her.
This is a little shack. You look at that? Do you want to pick off?
No.
A little one-room shack.
I only care if you find a word.
Ooh, it's creepy.
Let's walk around this side. It's not as got that much shit in it.
A day in the woods. What's today? April 1st. At, I don't know what time. Happy April Fool's Day.
Well, I guess we start selling.
Well, we need to do a prank. Yeah.
My April Fool's status is that I can't go to prom anymore.
And mine is that I broke a leg in the woods, and that I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I can't see her no more. I'm just saying.
Sprained your ankle.
Yeah.
Maybe move it a little bit.
Oh my God.
Ow!
Yeah, we're going to go.
Thanks. Whew. Look at my arms all scratched up.
Do you even know where we're going?
I know, or are you just walking?
No, I know where we're going. But it's normally not this grown up because it's not summertime. So I'm just trying to find a clear way, but it doesn't look like there's going to be.
It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't look like that.
Oh! Yeah, a spider.
Where?
God, there's gonna be spiders
over
everywhere.
there.
Okay. There's gonna be your house one day, kind of.
You know where
We're not going that way.
So we're going through that way.
why can't we just...
Because we're not going back that way. We're
Ooh,
going
I got something I like that.
across the river.
Oh. Oh shit.
It's my shoe. That killed me.
Oh God. Oh my, thanks for laying that stick on my face. Oh God.
You and that camera's like it all.
I know, my bad. Huh? Yeah, I'm taking a video. That was not funny. Whoa! Is that like the third? Okay, I'm gonna start recording so I won't fall no more. God.